Hasn't been anyone in here at all for a while. Not much snow. Snow that's here is soft. Get up to the tent and see who's in there or what's in there, if anything's in there. Looks a lot different in winter, that's for sure. So much wood in here. Down stuff. Still snow in the bush. You guys can see. Not lots though. I expected there to be more. Ooh. All right, made it. All right, so we made it up to the tent. It is out here in the bush. You can see it's 11 degrees Celsius as of right now. See if anyone's in the tent. Zero critters. So here goes to show you guys. Right now, it is 11:29. So it is 11 degrees centigrade outside. We go in the tent that's been closed up. I have 2 layers because I have the tarp on. Come inside the tent. It is 21 degrees centigrade. So 10 degrees warmer in here without anything going in here. All my water is thawed that I had in here. Yep. Right on. So I'm gonna go gather some stuff up, clean that fire pit out, and get a fire going. All right, so I cleaned the fire pit out. Now we're gonna go gather some stuff to put down as a base on it. Get some birch bark. As you can see, the snow is still deep here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm probably going to fire up the X5105. Just to give us a little bit of a base in the fire pit. Since everything's still That was a bit of a bait. Alright. Stuff I cut up before. Alright. Just to get it off the ground until things get going. Dry, dead balsam branches are by far the best. There. So I don't know 100% yet. We do have a lot of ticks around here now because of the overpopulation of deer. It really isn't uncommon, even in April when there is still snow on the ground, to find ticks in these areas where the sun is out. So needless to say, I have my pants tucked in to my socks to try and stop that, or from being bit by a tick. Let's go get some birch bark out of here. I think I have some. Can't believe how warm it is in here. Wow. Oh, I got some lint. I'll use some lint underneath. With the lint, I really don't need the birch bark, but let's see if trusty old Coglin. Let's just see, get a spark here going that can light the other bark with. Here we go. See if we can get this going. All right. There we go. Let's see. Alright, I get this stuff going here. Get some wood from inside, from the wood stove. Alright, see how that goes. Silky Gone Boy, as always. Alright, catch up with you guys in a little bit here.